Jesus!
Many calls, man. Let me activate airplane mode. I need some peace.
Photo silence. Finally, no more M-Pesa tech. No more please call me from there.
God have mercy upon us.
I know you're not doing this for me. You're just dodging your ex-calls.
Shut up.
I know she called you 5 times yesterday. Today she will use another number. She's creative like that.
This man!
Continue.
You know, you're pretending for her. You're not gonna play. You're just here in Mara. Even the chicks know you are right.
I just wanted some space.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
So, you put me on, but keep the Wi-Fi on. He's a liar now.
Don't insult me.
I just look comfortable. You're a toxic party. 14 missed calls in time.
Everybody come and sit down.
You are a failure. You are a failure.
It's very shameful for you to accept that.
You can't perform. You know you cannot make it.
It is finished.